morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are safe at home, yes? Yes, coming to the math class, children, today I am going to take part 2 of 6th chapter. What is our 6th chapter? HCF and LCM. In the part 1 class, what we have discussed, children? Very good. We discussed about HCF, yes? What is meant by HCF? HCF means highest common factor. Okay, highest common factor. What is another name of highest common factor? Greatest common factor. GCF, HCF and GCF. In this part 2 class, we are going to learn about LCM. What is meant by LCM? Yes, LCM means lowest common multiple. Lowest means smallest. Lowest common multiple. Okay, children? What is meant by common multiple first? Common multiple. Common multiples means the multiples which are common to the given numbers are called common multiples. Shall we take one example, children? Yes. So write down the common multiples of 12, 18. Okay, first write down the multiples of 12. Multiples. So what are multiples of 12? Yes. We know that 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sevens are 72, 12 eights are 84. Only 8 I am writing here. Next, common multiples of 18. First 8 write down, children. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are, how much, children? 18 threes are, yes, we will check just. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, 18 fives are 90, 18 sixes are 180, 18 sevens are 126, 18 eights are 144. Enough. Only 8 I am taking here. So nothing but a table, children. Multiples means nothing but write down that table. Here write down the 12 table. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sevens are 72, 12 eights are 84. What are multiples of 18? Nothing but the table. 18 table we have to write. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, 18 fives are 90, 18 sixes are 108, 18 sevens are 126, 18 eights are 144. Now check what are the common multiples for the given two numbers. Check once. Here 36. Circle it. Next, what is the common multiple? 72. After that, no number is there. Now write down the common multiples. Common multiples. Multiples of 12, 18. What are those? 36, 72. And we can write and etc. because multiples are uncountable. We can write more, but till 8 numbers only I have taken here. So we got 2, 36 and 72. Between these two, which is the least one? Least means smaller one. Yes, 36 is the least multiple. So therefore the least or lowest. Okay, least means lowest, smallest. The lowest common multiple of 12, 18 is equal to 36. Smallest common multiple is 36. So this is our concept today. LCM means lowest common multiple. Lowest means smallest. Smallest multiple we have to take. Have you understood, children? What is meant by LCM? LCM means lowest common multiple. So this is the lowest common multiple. Note it down, children. I want to take some examples from our textbook now. Yes. Using prime factorization method, I am going to find out the LCM now. Okay? Shall I rub it? Yes. From textbook, page number 156. Sorry. 51. Exercise number 6.3. So find the, what is the question? Find the LCM of the following numbers. Using prime factorization. Using the prime factorization method. Shall we take one example here? Yes, note it down. A bit 18, 24. Find the LCM of the following numbers using the prime factorization method. In the previous class, yes, HCF. We have found the HCF. Here, LCM of two numbers first. Take the prime factorization method only. Yeah, what is prime factor is the 18? 2 table, do you get 18 children? Yes. How many times? 2 9s are 18. Next in 3 table. 3 3s are 9. So again in 3 table only, 3 1s are 3. So till you get 1, we have to take factors. I mean prime factor is the given number. So write down the factors of 18 now. 2 into 3 into 3. Next coming to the 24 now. How many times? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, means 2 12s are 24. Next 2 6s are 12. Next 2 3s are 6. Next 3 1s are 3. Prime factor is the 24. First 2 12s are 24. 2 6s are 12. Next 2 3s are 6. Next 3 1s are 3. Now write down the 24 factors. Take multiplication of all these factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay? Yes, now what are the common factors? Circle them first. 2 is common. Okay? Next, 3 also common for one time. Okay, now I am going to write LCM. Therefore, LCM, lowest common multiple of 18 and 24 is equal to, so first write down the common factors. Take their product first. 2 is common, into 3 also common, into, and write down the remaining numbers. So here 3 is left, 3 into, in the second case 2 into 2. So what is the answer? 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 2s are 72. Understood? This is LCM, lowest common multiple, means you will get the bigger number than the given numbers. Understood all of you? So here first write down the common multiples. What is common multiple? 2 and 3. And write down the remaining numbers and take their product to get LCM of the given numbers. So remaining numbers are 3. 2 came for 2 times. So now take multiplication. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 2s are how much children? 18 2s are very good. 18 2s are 36. 36 2s are 72. So this is LCM. Have you understood? Will you find the difference between HCF and LCM, children? Yes, very good. Note it down, children. Next bit. Now take the D bit. Yes, 25, 75 and 50. 3 numbers. I am going to take 3 numbers. So prime factorize them. First 25. Take 25. How many times? 2 table do we get 25, children? No. 5 table only. 5 5s are 25. Next 5. 5 1s are 5. So what are factors of 25? 25 is equal to 5 into 5. Understood? 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Till you get 1, we have to take the division method. Means prime factor is the given number. Next, what is the second number? 75. Again, prime factor is this using division method. 3 table do you get? 2 table do you get, children? 75? No. 3 table? Yes. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 15 means 5. 3 25s are 75. Next in 5 table. Very good. 5 5s are 25. Next in 5 table again. 5 1s are 5. Now write down the factors of 75. 75 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5. Okay. Next take the next number. What is next number? 50. What are factors of 50? Yes. Directly in 5 table I am taking. 5 10s are 50. Next 5 2s are 10. Next 2 table. 2 1s are 2. 5 10s are 50. 5 2s are 10. 2 1s are 2. Now write down the factors of 50. 50 is equal to, what are the factors? 5 into 5 into 2. 5 into 5 into 2. Understood all of you? Now take the common factors. Take the common factors in 3 numbers. 5 is common into 1 5. Okay, sorry. And 2 times 5 is common, ma. Okay, I will write again. Wait, just a minute. So 5 into 5. This should be written 5 into 5 into 3. And this should be written 5 into 5 into 2. Now take the common factors. 5 and 5. Only 5 came for 2 times. So write down now. Therefore, LCM of, what are the given numbers? 25, 75 and 50 is equal to, common factor is 5 into, again the common factor is 5 and remaining numbers are 3 and 2. 3 into 2. What is the answer? 5 5s are 25. 25 3s are 75. 75 2s are 150. So 150 is the LCM of 25, 75 and 50. Have you understood, children? Note it down. So 5 are the common factors. So 5 into 5 and remaining numbers also we have to take into consideration in LCM. Okay? Note it down, children. Yes. The last example. So the last example is, note it down, children. Next I want to take G bit. Yes. Shall I rub the board, children? Yes. G bit, how much? 17, 68 and 34. Yes. Find out the LCM of 17, 68 and 34 using prime factorization. Shall we do now? Yes. First prime factorize the 17. 17 is a prime number itself. So 17 ones are 17. So write down the factors of 17. 17 into 1. 17 ones are 17. Completed. Next take 68. So 2 divides the 68. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are. So 2 34s are 68. Again in 2 table. 2 17s are 34. Next table is 17. 17 ones are 17. 2 34s are 68. 2 17s are 34. And directly take 17 table. 17 ones are 17. Because 17 is a prime number. Now write down 68 is equal to, what are the factors? 2 into 2 into 17. 2 into 2 into 17. Next, take 34. In 2 table, do you get 34 children? Yes. How many times? 2 17s are 34. Next, directly take 17 table. 17 ones are 17. Now write down the factors of 34. 34 is equal to 2 into 17. Now what are the common factors? Circle. In 3 numbers 17 is the common. So circle the 17. Next, in 2 numbers 2 is common. Circle that also. After that we don't have any common factor. Now write down the LCM. LCM of 17, 68 and 34 is equal to 17 into 2 into 17 is the common, 2 is the common and remaining number is only 2. 17 into 2 into 2. 17 2s are 34. 34 2s are how much children? 68. So, understood all of you? The LCM of 17, 68 and 34 is 68. Lowest common multiple. LCM means lowest common multiple. Understood children? Please note it down. Yes, I hope you understood the class. Okay children, practice more and more. LCM and HCF, problems on LCM and HCF from your textbook. Okay children, to get clarification, for better understanding, practice more and more. Bye children. Thank you very much.